In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana project to CSV and analyze it in Excel. If you're looking to back up your work, hand off data to a teammate, or run deeper reporting than Asana offers out of the box, exporting to a CSV and opening it in Microsoft Excel is a quick, reliable workflow. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few tips to make sure your export looks the way you expect. First, open the specific project or task list you want to export inside Asana. Make sure you're looking at the correct workspace or team and confirm that you have access to the project. What you see on screen is what will guide the structure of your export, including task names, sections, and any visible custom fields. If your project uses filters or a particular view, that's fine. The export will still include the underlying data. Next, head to the Project Actions menu. You'll find it in the top right corner of the project, represented by 3 dots. Click that menu to reveal additional options for the project. From here, choose Export, Print. You'll see several export formats. Select CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, which is a universal format that opens nicely in spreadsheet tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. After you click CSV, Asana will prepare your file. In most cases, the download begins automatically and saves to your browser's default download location. If your browser asks where to save, pick a folder you can easily find later. The file name typically matches your project name, which helps keep things organized. If your project is very large, give it a moment to complete. Once the file has downloaded, open it with Microsoft Excel. On most systems, you can double-click the CSV and Excel will launch. If it opens in another app, right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Microsoft Excel. When the file opens, you'll see columns for common Asana fields such as task name, assignee, due date, completed status, and any custom fields that were visible in the project. Subtasks may appear as separate rows with references to parent tasks depending on how your project is structured. A few quick tips as you begin your analysis. If dates or numbers don't look right, use Excel's formatting options to display them correctly. If your region uses a different list separator, Excel may prompt you to confirm delimiters. Choose comma to match the CSV. From here, you can sort, filter, and build pivot tables to summarize work, track due dates, or measure progress. That's it. You've exported your Asana project to CSV and opened it in Excel, ready for clean, flexible reporting.